How to cancel a Lyft ride. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can cancel a Lyft ride that you actually just booked. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you suddenly change your mind and you decide to wait after you book a ride, you need to learn that you have to leave your home or office a bit later, or if your plans change for any other reason, you can actually cancel your Lyft ride with just a few taps. But you have to be quick because you only have 2 minutes to cancel a Lyft after you request a ride before you charge a fee, which is $10 in most locations but varies by region. So in order to go ahead and then actually cancel a Lyft ride, what you have to do is, first of all, as soon as you decide to cancel the trip, just tap on the edit ride at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then here you will see this pop-up. Will ask you the option to go ahead and cancel the ride. You can just tap on the cancel ride option. It'll ask you for a confirmation. Just confirm the cancellation by clicking on the red words that says cancel ride, and that's all it takes to cancel a Lyft ride. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.